If you need to remove your fridge door for any reason, watch this short video and I'll show you how. The steps shown in this tutorial will apply to almost any brand refrigerator. To start, I need to detach the top hinge first. And on mine there's a cover held in with a screw. But depending on the brand, some covers might just be clipped in and will come right off without tools. Next step is to remove the hinge plate. I'm working on a KitchenAid fridge, but the process is similar on most other brands. Once the bolts are out, the plate will come right off. For this job, it's definitely helpful to have an extra person around to hold the door when it's loose. Now just open the door and lift it out of the bottom hinge. Before I started recording this video, I prepared an area to set my door down, but you can also just lay it down on your carpet if needed. When it's time, reattaching the door can be a bit awkward on my own, but not impossible. I'll start by slipping the hinge pin through the opening at the bottom. And now the full weight of the door is resting on the fridge. While holding the door in place, the last thing to do is reattach the hinge plate and bolt it back on. The best way to do this is to just finger tighten all the bolts first. I've found that keeping it all loose makes it easier to align the screw holes. And since I'm using my drill, I'm going to set the torque setting to 5 to prevent over tightening. Finally, I'll reinstall the plastic cap. So no matter what brand fridge you own, these are the general steps to follow when you need to remove your refrigerator door. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my DIY videos.